Check this out, guys. If you are looking for a smart litter box, I would definitely suggest checking this one out. It has absolutely everything you need and it is really easy to use. We're gonna go over how to use this litter box, also how to use the app, how to break everything down to clean it, and then also some tips and tricks to get your cat in here and feeling comfortable. So let's go ahead and start here with the 3 buttons that you see here on the front. Our first button is gonna be our Wi-Fi button. Now we need this button to connect the app, so we'll do that later. Our next button is gonna be our trash button or our dump button. We're gonna skip that one for now. We're gonna come over here to our cleaning function. So we're gonna click this and it's gonna run through our cleaning cycle. Now what is gonna happen is it's gonna tilt backwards and it's gonna separate the clumped litter with this grate right here. It's going to allow the clean litter to get collected inside of here, and it's gonna dump the clumped litter in our collection tray down here, and then it will reset. It will come back this way and then dump our clean litter back inside of the tray. But it's now dumped out the clumped litter and it's gonna come back around this way, and this grate is gonna swing out, allowing the clean litter to fill our tray back up. And then after it's done that, it will settle back to where it was. And there we go. Our second button here, the one with the little trash can, this is gonna be our trash button or our dump button. To use this function, we're gonna hold down on the button for 3 seconds. I like that you do have to hold it for 3 seconds because you never know when something might just kind of bump it and you don't want to dump everything out. So you can see it's already moving and it's just going to dump everything down here into our collection tray right here. So if I slide this out, you can see our collection tray here at the bottom, and it does come with liners, but I definitely recommend picking some more up. So we can take one of these liners and stretch it over here. Once it's dumped, we could pull our liner out and trash it. And it also does come with a tray right here in the front for air fresheners, and it did actually come with this one right here, which is pretty cool that they gave that to us. And then we'll just take our collection tray and slide it right back in, fill it with litter, and then we're good to go. So next, let's go ahead and talk about breaking this down to clean it. It is really easy to clean. On the side here, we need to take these off, and you can see an on-off lever. We're gonna slide these to on to pull them off. Same thing with this side, slide it to on, pull it off. Now that's gonna allow us to take this whole drum out. You're just gonna grab it, slide it up like that, and now we can pull the whole thing out. We can wipe down this area, we can wipe down this area. This grate right here, we could take this, pop it off, and then wipe this down. And then our little liner in here, it also comes out. There's a little pull tab right here. So we grab this pull tab, just like that, and now we can pull this liner out and wash this liner, and then it gives us access to this area to clean. So breaking it down and cleaning it is really easy, and then we'll just take this, pop that back inside, place it on here, and then our little locks are gonna slide back on, slide it to the off position to lock it. Same thing with this side, slide that in, slide it to the off position to lock it in. And then there you go, you're all set. The last thing you're gonna need to do is just calibrate it by hitting the cleaning function. And then that's gonna calibrate the machine to put it back to level again. Let's go ahead and get into some of the functions and features of the app. Now, I absolutely love this app. It has this operation log on here, so you know everything that's going on, which is amazing. Even shows you cleaning times, working status is on standby, toilet duration, cat weight, switch it from automatic to manual. The backlit brightness, now that is going to be the LED right there. So we could actually change the brightness on that if we want to. Probably hard to tell right now with the light, but we could slide it all the way until it's off if you wanted to. Right there is pretty good for me. And then we have our cleaning delay time. So after they do use the restroom, if you have it on automatic, it's going to clean 6 minutes after they are done. And then obviously you can change that within the app. Now you could also change the weight from kilograms to pounds. I have it on pounds. And then your cat toilet usage statistics. Then we have our date and time right here. And then you could also restore factory settings. We can also manually control it from here. So if we wanted to empty it, I could hit my empty button, and then I'm going to hit my empty button again, and you can see the machine is moving and it's going to go ahead and empty. So if you wanted to, if you're at home, or say you're even away from home and you get notifications on here, I don't think I mentioned that. You'll get your notifications on here, and if you want to go ahead and empty it, if you're away from home or if you're sitting on the couch or whatever the case may be, you can just hop into the app. You can hit the clean function, you can hit the empty function, and you can also reset it. All of the functions and features in this app is everything that you need and more. They did a great job with this. All right, so some tips and tricks to get your cat into this litter box. If you've purchased new litter boxes before, sometimes they're not so eager to use it. So one tip is to take their old litter box, take the clumps out obviously, and you're gonna take that litter and dump it into here. That's gonna give them a familiar scent and make them more comfortable transitioning to the new litter box. Another tip, get some treats, get some of their favorite toys and then place them in the litter box. That's gonna intrigue them. That's gonna get them to come over and want to explore and get comfortable with it. And then once they're comfortable with it, fill it with litter and then you'll be good to go. Overall, this is an absolutely fantastic litter box. It has all the features and functions that I would expect for a machine like this, and they all work flawlessly. And to have the app and to have that kind of control with all the features and functions within the app is absolutely amazing. I would 100% recommend this litter box. I know my cats are really going to enjoy it.